Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get your Stash tax documents. If you don't have a Stash account, we will put the link on the description below for you to sign up, and get $20 of bonus stock when you sign up and fund your account. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see your account name at the top right part of the screen. Click on your account name. At the left side menu of this page, you will see an option for Statements and Tax Documents. Click on Statements, Add Tax Documents. Now you will see a section for Personal Portfolio. Under Personal Portfolio, you will see an option for Tax Documents. Click on Tax Documents. Then here, you will see the list of your tax documents. Click on the Download button beside the tax document you wish to get. That's how you get your Stash tax documents. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.